Lagos State Commissioner of Police, CP Idowu Owanwa, met with the relevant stakeholders under Egbe Idimo Ikotu Igondo LCDA and Alimosho local government during a familiarization tour to Area M Police Command, led by the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Benga Adeoye. Speaking at the event, CP Idowu Owanwa charged traditional rulers, religious bodies, parents and guardians to imbibe and embrace community policing by reporting any suspicious movements or activities happening within their domain.
You are not just helping. The reality is that policing is grassroots based. The more we can go deeper into the grassroots, the better for us. Take this message back. If we carry out any operation and we have reason to believe that any resident or owner of building or whatever, business centers are harboring these boys, we treat them also as criminals. We will arrest them and we prosecute them along with the police.
In attendance were the divisional police officers under Area M, traditional rulers, Egbe Idumu LCDA chairman, PCRC members, representatives of the Lagos State Parks and Administrators, strategic police officers, and the top management team of the Lagos State Police Command, while highlighting on different issues and lasting solutions to curb the spread of abnormalities within our society.
With some of the problems facing us, which is the menace of drug taking, so which I'm sure we're all looking for solutions to. But the police don't have any magic. They cannot do any magic. We have to be the ones that will pass the information over to them for them to police us effectively.
The drug lead all these boys to criminality such as courtesan, pilfering, stealing in the midnight, burglaries. We had a lot of accounts, and our DPO in the country is really trying.
Police cannot do it alone. What I've observed for years back is that when Nigerian police are sent outside this country, they are the best. The big question now is, within us in this country, why are they not the best? Because community, local government are not supporting the police enough. While our commissioner was addressing us, you know the number of Nigerian policemen to few Nigerians. In advanced country, like neighboring countries, things is not like that. We want to appeal to you, sir, that the few things that we notice that is giving us a lot of problem is operational vehicles. If every logistic needed is provided, our Nigerian police, especially Area Command, to excel.
While reacting to a series of issues raised by the community leaders and representatives, CP Idowu Owanwa reiterated and emphasized for all attendees to judiciously make the security of lives and property a priority by reporting to the appropriate authorities to make any arrests and prosecutions when necessary. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.